2025 Ram ProMaster Cargo Van. This van transports any and all cargo to its final destination. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as side view mirrors with turn signals,
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.